I have to give a shout out to the role players, si Jaden McDaniels and si Naz Reid, because I think they played big time. You love to see this type of game from Jaden McDaniels. Kasi there are times na even wala si Anthony Edwards, he does not up his usage. Parang same player lang siya, even pang wala yung stars. But even here, with the stars here, he's more consistent, he's more aggressive, you're looking for his shot. I think his bag has expanded also, his dribble package. He's a more consistent shooter now. And this is what you love to see, him getting out on the open floor, hitting his mid-rangers, hitting his threes, and just out hustling the LA Clippers. Naz Reid in the fourth quarter, he's like a superpower yung off the bench. Actually, he is the Timberwolves bench. He outscored the entire Clippers bench. I think the Clippers bench scored a total of 15 points. He scored 19.